Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will talk about IBM Bob. We will see how to download Project Bob, how to install Project Bob, and what are the steps that we are supposed to take in order to install and set up it in our system. This installation setup is mainly based on Windows user. But if you are Mac or maybe you are Linux user, same process you can also follow in order to install IBM Bob in your system. Okay. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released session first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow it sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic. Because for time being, we are just mainly focusing on how to install IBM Bob. But prior to that, we have talked about what is IBM Bob, why do we need it, and all the other required stuff. And to make the things easier for you, I have already attached the Sharmit digital course book in the description box. There you will find more than 3,500 plus sessions freely available for all of you, and it is available in two languages, Hindi as well as English. So without any language barrier, you can consume the content, and if you have any question or queries related to that, you can reach out to me through comment section. Okay. Alright. So let's get started. The first question comes, how we can install IBM Bob in our system. So to install IBM Bob, firstly we are supposed to download it, and to download it, we have this simple website. You just need to type or search this thing, bob.ibm.com, that is bob.ibm.com. Okay, so doesn't matter which browser you are using, just write this bob.ibm.com, and then you will see this kind of screen where this icon will be populated for you, and then you will find these all text written over there. Welcome to IBM Bob, your AI powered development partner. Okay, now we want to download it, so you can clearly see we have one button for download. Just simply go and click on this download. And also, if you want to explore other thing like what it is, what I can build with you, and these kind of information, so you can simply walk through this website. Here you will find all the required stuff. Okay, but for now we are just going to download it, so just simply click on this download button. When you click on download button, it will show you multiple options. So you can see firstly we have to choose either we want to download Bob IDE or Bob Shell. In case if you want to go with Bob Shell, you can find these two commands. The first one is for Mac OS or Linux. The second one is for Windows. Okay, so for Mac OS and Linux it is common, but for Windows it is a separate thing. Similarly, you will find view all releases option here, but in this case I am going to install Bob IDE. Again, for IDE we have three options: Mac OS, Windows and Linux. Okay, so let's say I want to install it for the Windows, so I can simply click on this download button, and within a second it will start downloading in my system. So you can see download has been started, it is in progress. Okay, likewise if you are Mac user, you can select your version, whatever version you want to use. Similarly for Linux also you can use these options. Okay, so my download is started for Windows. So you can see it is taking some time, but once it is ready, we are good to install it. And installation process is very simple and straightforward. You just need to install it like a basic software installation, and then after installation I'll tell you how to access it for 30 days for free with 40 Bob coins. So we all know that this is this project comes with a trial version where we have 30-day access with 40 Bob coins, and these Bob coins are utilized when we are executing some commands or prompts on IBM Bob. Okay, so this file is done, and now I'll click here. Within a seconds it will show me the screen. Here you can see we have license agreement. Of course, if you want to install it, you need to accept this agreement, otherwise it won't allow you to download it or install it. Okay, so if you want to study the agreement, so you can study it here. Otherwise you can simply click on this I accept the agreement, click on next. Then it will ask you the location where you want to store this thing. I will go with the default value. then it will ask you the start menu folder. Again I will go with a default option, and here I'll just check mark this thing, create a desktop icon, so that later when I want to use it I can directly go and click on the icon. Okay, now after selecting this, rest of the things I will keep as it is because it is a recommended thing. Yes, it is needed, like if you want to add to the path, you should opt this option. Similarly, register IBM as an editor for supported file types. Okay, so these all options will be by default, and I'll click here on next. Then we have option to install it. Now to install it, you can simply click on this install button, and it will take few seconds and installation is started. Okay, so now we have started the installation. That means now this is getting installed in our system, and once it is installed, we will get the icon for Project Bob or IBM Bob on desktop, as well as it will ask you to launch the editor directly from here. So we will launch it and we will see how we can use it. Okay, and also this IBM Bob, like I'm using VS Code with it, so yes, I can directly open it with VS Code, and there I will find all other options like for login, for trial version, and also for the window for prompting the commands. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds, and once it is completed we will move to the next part. And free trial thing we will discuss. Yes, we will discuss that, how to access it for 30 days with 40 Bob coins, and also we will go through each and every aspect where we can utilize this IBM Bob just for the trial version. So I am assuming some of you are using the PUB 400 for accessing the IBMi server, so you can also try it with PUB 400. Okay, it will work there as well. So let's see how much time it will take to get installed, and once it is installed we will move to the next part. So let me see. Okay, so you can see meanwhile you can explore the website if you want. You can find these all options like pricing details are there, documents are there, enterprises there. So from here, like you can get to know more about IBM Bob. I think it is installed, so let's see. Yes, it is installed, and you can see it comes with this option by default, launch IBM Bob. So I'll just simply click here on this finish, and it will launch IBM Bob. Okay, so it comes with a VS Code because my VS Code is already installed in my system, so it will come with IBM Bob now. So here in the right side panel you will find the logo of IBM Bob along with some options that will allow you to log in and to use the prompts to perform the task. So it is getting set up. Let me refresh it, and meanwhile, like you can see, these are all walkthroughs are there. So if you want, you can opt for this. Yes, so now we have got our IBM in our VS Code, IBM Bob. So you can clearly see here it is written, hi, I am Bob. I am your AI development partner. I can augment your workflows to help you understand, plan, and improve real code bases with confidence. Let's build something amazing together. Then we have this documentation section. If you want to explore documentation, you can click here on this documentation part. It will take you to this website where you will find all the information like installing, getting started, best practices, Quickstart, tutorials, basic tutorials. So you will find all these information here. Okay. Similarly, if you don't have any subscription, then you need to either go for the trial version or for the paid version. So for that you need to log in here with one ID, and each ID will be provided 30-day access for Bob. And then we have this privacy policy. So in case if you want to understand the privacy policy, you can click here and it will take you to the IBM privacy statement screen. Okay, so this is how you will do it, and in next session I'll tell you how to access this Bob for free at least for 30 days, and in 30 days we can explore the features, all the functionality that comes with IBM Bob. I'll show you how to create the program using Bob. So now there is no manual efforts needed. You can just write a one prompt and then it will do your task. It can access your file and perform the operation. Clear? So in this session mainly we discuss how to install IBM Bob in your system. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.